Hey, I'm Rex Roy with AOL Autos, and I gotta tell you, there's never a good time to have a flat tire, but the key is to be prepared. Now, before a flat strands you by the side of the road, you need to know where your spare tire is. In the Mustang, it's in the trunk. In the Dodge, it's underneath here. Once you know where it is, check the air pressure in your spare tire, because a flat spare tire won't do you any good. This, the owner's manual. If you don't know where your spare is, or how to check the air in it, or what the air pressure should be, check this first. Here's a safety checklist. Pull off to a safe place. Don't stop in the middle of the road. If you're on a highway and can make it to an exit or a rest stop, do it. Dozens of people are killed changing tires every year. Find hard, level ground. You can't safely jack a car up on sand or on a slope. Make sure your emergency flashers are on. Put the transmission in park. Set the emergency brake. Get the spare tire out before you jack up the car. So now we're ready to change the tire. Position the jack at the proper jacking point. Again, find that in your owner's manual or just look under the car. Normally you can see an area that's reinforced for jacking. If you put the jack in the wrong spot, you can even put a hole in the floor of the car. Now these are all the tools we need to change the tire. These two pieces came with the Ford. These are two different types of lug nut wrenches you can use. They give you more leverage to get the lug nuts off. Makes it a lot easier. Now before I get the tire all the way off the ground, it's important that you break the lug nuts free. That way you're not torquing on the car when it's lifted off the ground. This is safer. Pull the wheel off. Sometimes you'll need to break the wheel free from the hub by smacking the top edge with the heel of your hand. Wheels and tires are heavy, so be careful. Well, we got the tire back from the shop. It was nothing but a nail, easy repair. Now I'll get the tire back on the hub. I'm going to start the lug nuts just with my fingers, and then I'll tighten it up after I've lowered the wheel so there's some tension on it. Now that I've got some weight on the wheel, I can tighten up the lug nuts the rest of the way, and then I'll lower the car the rest of the way. So we just did this tire change in the best place in the world, your garage. But because flat tires don't often happen in the driveway, I carry a flat tire kit in my personal vehicle. Like I showed you before, I carry either a long-handed breaker bar or a star spinner to make getting the lug nuts off easier. It's good to have an air pressure gauge, a poncho in case it's raining, work gloves, rags, a flashlight with batteries, a reflector, and a can tire inflator. These work great to temporarily fix small air leaks. If your car has a tire pressure monitoring system, make sure the inflator you use is safe for these. Now this stuff doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg if you pick it up on sale. And if you use it just once, you'll be glad you had it. So now you're prepared in case you ever get stuck with a flat tire. It's definitely something you can handle. I'm Rex Roy for AOL Autos.